In front of me is SONY Xperia VII, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Safety and Emergency. Then click on Emergency Contacts. Tap on Add Contact and click on the one you wish to add. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To change order of your contacts on the list, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Hold one of them and drag it to move it to the proper place. When you finished, hit Save also at the top right corner. To delete any contact from your emergency list, use this X next to the one you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!